Do you know anything about the Jewish community in Wales, the history of the Jewish community in Wales?
Well, I can tell about what happened to my grandfather. In Ystalyfera, which is where my father's father was born, it was a chapel community, a very kind of narrow, difficult place for the Jews. Although they did bring great trade to the area, so people were grateful for the material they brought and for the skills they brought as well, because there was, my great-grandparents' community had skills that weren't too common in that part of the world. They were some fantastic tailors, and they were watchmakers and all kinds of stuff. But there was still a lot of tribalism against the Jews. So that's why my great-grandparents left and became settlers. I mean, apart from the fact that they were obviously deeply Zionist. But my grandfather couldn't stay. There's a wonderful British film we discussed earlier, Solomon and Gaynor, which is a Romeo and Juliet story about a Welsh girl and a Jewish boy who fall in love and are just torn apart by their respective communities. And that's the kind of place, that's where my grandfather grew up, and he couldn't stay.